Welcome everyone. We're out in Sugar Sands today. If you don't know where Sugar Sands is, we are right here just outside of Mexico Beach, tucked up right next to Tyndall Air Force Base. Wait till I show you why that matters. You're going to have to hang with me to the very end because I'm going to show you some very spectacular views that you're not going to want to miss. But we're right here on the right side. The beach access is literally right there. If you can kind of see where that truck is, that is where the fitness center is. And that is where the beach access is. They have a beautiful boardwalk that goes down to the beach. You can roll right out of your garage in your golf cart onto the boardwalk with all your gear and take it right down to the beach. It is stunning out there. You can walk forever on the beach and not have another house right here to your right. So that's what's special about Sugar Sands. A lot of people don't even know about this neighborhood. It's very exclusive. It's gorgeous. They have strict architectural guidelines, but not like a super strict HOA. They just want everybody to kind of have a cohesive feel and architecture to their house, and that's why you get all these beautiful properties. So come with me and let me show you another beautiful property. Not only do we have a garage to park all your gear in, you've got pavers here leading up to the front door. Head this way, they have all kinds of details. Look at the fun cutouts. I love this. I love the color of this. And you've got a travertine walkway here. And it's so private once you get up in here, but this is your front door entrance. You also, I'm going to show you a little peek of the back door back here. So you've got a little backyard back there, and I'll show you that in just a little bit, a nice garden area. Look how gorgeous. Huge tall doors, everything with beautiful accents. They've thought of it all. So if you've ever dreamed of having a new construction house, but you want to have it all done for you and everybody to think of every detail from the trim to the floors to the paint colors, well, they've done it here and it is stunning. Just look at the light fixtures as we go through. Look at all the detail in here. I love the beautiful white oak floors. You have real wood floors in here. This is a fabulous flex space. We're on the ground level. So just so you know, the living level is on the very top floor to take in all the views. So we're going to be on really the entertainment and bedroom floors, but this could be more sleeping area if you wanted. This is a kid hangout area. You could make this a game room. You've got bunks down here. The bunks have their own lights. You've got a closet back here in the bunk room. It's just a reach in. Kids don't ever have that much. You've got lights in the bunks. I do not have them illuminated. You've got all your porch for charging. Fun set of ladders. You've got double doors leading in here, so that's nice. And everything, we got our ceiling fans and all of our recessed lighting, and then this is a nice pocket door to close off the whole area. I love it when a house has two living areas. It makes it so cohesive whether you're renting or not. This is your garage right here. Quick peek at that. You've got a full bathroom right down at the end of the hall, which is pretty great. Look at the detail in the tile. So fun. Everything matches. I love how they pulled in all this different medium with the tile floors. It looks perfect. They've got a nice landing area here. I'm going to take you out back because you've got a really nice hangout area in the back with your maintenance-free decking. This is your grill spot, so this is where your grill's going to go. You're going to hook straight up to natural gas here. And if you look right here next door, sorry, they're weed eating out here, but if you look right next door, these people have plunge pools. You've got plenty of room to do that here. So there's plenty of available area to do that if you wanted to add it. So let's go head up to the guest rooms and show you what those look like. Nice heavy doors. We've got impact glass all throughout this house. So you're meeting all of the Florida code for wind mitigation to make your insurance super affordable. This is your guest level floors. You've got an elevator now that's going to take you to every level. So this is your elevator right here. You've got some nice built-ins here, some accessory lighting. Beautiful, beautiful tile even in the laundry room. Look at that. Now let me show you what's back here just because. You've got some extra storage area back here. Your AC is back here. And this is where your panel box is. All right, first guest room on the right. Plenty of room for a king size in almost every bedroom. And you're going to have an ensuite bath and a walk-in closet. So let me show you the bath. I love the accent colors in here. Look how beachy that is. Well done. Let me give you a sneak peek here. We've got a full walk-in closet here. If you want to rent, I think you could put a small child in there. Let's go right down here and I'll show you the other guest room. Right here on the right. Now, these next two guest rooms are going to be leading out onto decks, but let me show you this first. Again, plenty of room for a king-size bed in here. Nice open light. Love the wood accent fans. Another complete walk-in closet. And each bathroom is decorated differently. You've got the beautiful hardware in the shower, the tile running all the way to the ceiling in the shower. So come out here because we've got a beautiful deck with a beautiful view of the water from here. You've got a waterfront view right here and a water view over Tyndall. No one will ever build there. Look at how huge these decks are. I should walk it off. This is 7 feet just to the railing. So you've got about 8 feet. It is so wide. You've got a main hallway that comes off this deck, and then the primary bedroom also lands on this deck. And you've got ceiling fans out here, recessed lighting, faucets. They thought of all the good things. You even have power out there. We're going to head over here to the 4th bedroom, and this is the primary. There's your little hallway with the door. But look at this. It's beautiful. I love the wood ceilings in here. It just makes it feel a little bit more nautical. We've got suspended lights from the ceiling. Look how beautiful this bathroom is. Feels like the sea. I love even the waves in the light fixture up there and the paneled ceilings in here and the built-in cabinets that feel like furniture with you've got the brushed brass hardware in here with, it just all coordinates so well together. And of course you got the soaking tub tucked over here in the corner. This is another walk-in right here. All right, I'm saving the best for last. Let's head upstairs. So that's all 4 bedrooms. Of course, you could add more in that flex space downstairs if you wanted it, but I think it'd make a great family game room area for the kids to hang out down there because the living room here is all the way on the top floor. So if you've got teenagers or kids and they want to do their own thing, it's a great space. Look at this. We've got a beautiful vaulted ceiling. Everything's been color coordinated. Gorgeous wood floors, all leading to the show-stopping deck out there. I'll take you there last, but look at the waterfall island that they have. I mean, can you imagine? You can do anything on this island. I'm going to be able to watch the sunset out of every window, no matter where the sun is migrating to. All these built-ins. We've got the fridge that's got everything all built in. We've got a microwave here, dishwasher, just all your traditional pullouts. I love that they've got this beautiful gas cooktop. Look at this with the brass hardware on it, pot filler, beautiful fan. I mean, built-ins and drawers all over the place, a double oven. You've got a pantry back here with a wine fridge. This is a great bar area. Look at this, walk in. You can keep everything out of the way, all tucked away. And this half bath is so cute. Look at the built-ins that they did here. This wallpaper is gorgeous. Great half bath. I love that they tucked it in back here out of the living room area and the kitchen area. This is a great gathering spot. Plenty of room if you even wanted to do a bigger table than this. You've got 2 living room areas and this huge deck that is just like the one below. Come out here. Let's look at these show-stopping views. These sliding glass doors are all recessed into each other, so it just feels nice and open. Just look at this. I've got views all the way over there towards Mexico Beach. They migrate around. The water is sparkling over here. And then just look at this. This is so private, but this just shows you how private this beach really is. When you walk down this beach, there isn't anybody. And it's in such a great location. You're just convenient to everything where this is located. But if you want all the details on this house, come and live the beach life. Share it with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.